In a vast, ancient river, deep in the heart of the African wilderness, lived a peculiar lungfish named Lumina. Unlike other fish, Lumina had the unique ability to breathe both water and air. One day, a great drought gripped the land, and the river began to dwindle. The other fish swam frantically, searching for deeper pools of water to survive. But Lumina, with her ability to breathe air, found a way to save herself. She climbed the riverbank and found a small, dry crevice. Using her strong, eel-like body, she wriggled her way into it, and there she waited. Days turned into weeks, and the drought showed no signs of letting up. When the rains finally returned, Lumina emerged from her hiding place, refreshed and unharmed. The other fish marveled at her resilience and asked, "How did you survive?" Lumina replied, "I survived because I was not afraid to adapt when the world around me changed. I found a way to breathe when the water dried up, and that is the secret to survival." From that day forward, Lumina became a symbol of resilience and adaptability. She taught the other creatures that change is a part of life, and that adaptability is the key to survival. Moral: embrace change and be adaptable. For it is those who can adapt to the changing world around them who will not only survive, but thrive.